Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to access Coomeet free minutes. But before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. So let's dive in. First, open your browser and head over to Coomeet.com. Then click on Get Free Trial Now and choose your agenda. Now click Confirm and Register. Next, enter your email and create a password. After that, register by entering your name and selecting your age range. Now you will need to confirm your email address to get free 5-minute trial. Just check your inbox, grab the code and enter it. Once you have done that, the free 5 minutes will be added to your account and you can start chatting on Coomeet. If you like more free minutes, then you can always create new accounts and keep enjoying the chat. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.